With breaking inputs coming in, AAP has released its list first, Punjab list. Names of 8 candidates have been announced in this first list. Remember, AAP is contesting on its own. It has gone solo in Punjab. Kuldeep Singh Dhaliwal fielded from Amritsar, Sushil Kumar Rinku from Jalandhar. We have Amandeep joining us from the broadcast with more details. Amandeep, tell us more about this list. The first one from Punjab with 8 candidates' name in it.
Well, first list of Aam Aadmi Party is very interesting list. 5 ministers, 5 sitting ministers have been named in this list as a candidate from different constituencies. And one person who has recently joined from Congress Party to Aam Aadmi Party, Gurpreet Singh GB, he is the candidate from Fatehgarh Sahib constituency. Kuldeep Singh Dhaliwal, NRI minister, Amritsar seat has been given to him. Laljit Singh Phullar, another minister, who is holding the transport portfolio, he is also a candidate. Gurmeet Singh Meet here, he is a sports minister, and the seat has been given Sangrur seat. He will be contesting from Sangrur seat. Gurmeet Singh Khudia, the most important name. Gurmeet Singh Khudia is the agriculture minister who is MLA from Lambi, and in fact who is the one who won the Lambi seat, which is the home turf of Badal's family. And in fact he is a very prominent person, and it was in the discussions between the Aam Aadmi Party that his name should be skipped from the Lok Sabha candidates list, just because immediately if these ministers win, so Aam Aadmi Party and the Punjab has to face the bypolls on all these seats, and even that the bypoll on the Lambi, it turned out to be very difficult for Aam Aadmi Party to regain that seat after losing Khudia as a Lok Sabha candidate. Right. So that was the most discussing part of this entire list.
All right, Amandeep, stay on with us. We also have Siddharth joining us from the newsroom. So of the 13 Lok Sabha seats, names on 8 of them have been announced by AAP in the first list.
So Swati, here's the list. From Amritsar, Kuldeep Singh Dhaliwal will be contesting. From Khadur Sahib, Laljit Singh Bhullar. From Jalandhar, Sushil Kumar Rinku. Fatehgarh Sahib, Gurpreet Singh GP. Faridkot, Karamjit Anmol. Bhatinda, Gurmeet Singh Khudia. Sangrur, Gurmeet Singh Meet here, and from Patiala, Dr. Balbir Singh. Sangrur is very critical here, Swati, because Sangrur was the seat that was won by Bhagwant Mann. Right. The only seat that the Aam Aadmi Party won in the year 2019 after Bhagwant Mann became Chief Minister. Sangrur went for a bypoll, and the Aam Aadmi Party lost that seat. To whom? To Simranjeet Singh Mann, a self-proclaimed Khalistan sympathizer. So that will be a very interesting contest where Gurmeet Singh Meet here, an MLA, will be taking on Simranjeet Singh Mann, among others, from the Sangrur seat. It's a prestige seat for the AAP in 2020.